Okay, so I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to run CCminer off Termux instead of userland. I just learned how to do this yesterday, and yeah, let's see if I can get it going again. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to go to get F-Droid. You're going to allow, open, make sure your Chrome is allows you to open it, or download from the source, go back, install. Gonna click down here, install anyways. And then open. And this part takes a second. Has to update its repository. I'll just skip quickly past this part. Okay, now that the repository is updated, we're gonna go in. We're gonna download Termux. And you're gonna want this one, the Termux terminal with the emulator packages. We're gonna go hit install. Let that go for a second. Okay, and for security reasons, you're gonna have to say allow from source, back, install. And we are gonna open. Okay, and for these steps, I'll make a QR code at the end where you can open up and you can just copy and paste them yourselves. But as I go, I'll go through them with you. So I have them on my email here. Let me just open my email here quickly. So first you're going to start off with your package install root. Okay, next, you're going to do package install X11 repo. Fuck off. Okay, then next, you're going to go Termux. And you're gonna set up the storage. Fuck you. Paste. Click allow. Okay, now we're gonna actually change our repository. Go paste, change repo, you're gonna select this one, deselect this one, fuck off, there you go, okay, select that one, no, you're gonna select that one, yeah, and not that one, fuck, okay, this one, yes, okay. There we go. There we go. Okay, and then now we're going to go down to Albatross. Now we're going to go to Albatross. and we're gonna click OK. Next. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna do this one here. We're gonna get apt update and upgrade. So we'll just let that upgrade and update. And for every single one of these, you're gonna hit no. Okay, now we're gonna actually, oh, we gotta install these. There's a list of stuff we gotta do. Okay, so we're gonna install these in here, these bad boys. Okay, so now we are gonna actually install the miner. So we're gonna install this miner here. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Okay, now that the miner is installed, we're gonna go cd CCminer, and then we're gonna go ./build.sh. Oh, what did I do wrong there? What the hell did I do wrong? Let's just copy and paste theirs. Oh, it was doing it. Never mind. Okay, for some reason my phone's dumb. It only takes 10-minute videos. So you're gonna go back into your CCminer. And this is the part I was talking about. Where you actually you want to get this part going, and this is catered to me, not you. So you're gonna have to change the pool you want, your address, and your worker name. Like this. Pop this in. Oh my god. Oh my fucking fuck. Why aren't you fucking working? There we go. Okay, there. And now it's working. It says here that it is it's only 3.8, but it's actually 3.8.3, so you should be getting a better mega hash. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I do that. Thanks.